Of all the money that ever I had, I spent it in good company, and all the harm that ever I done, alas, it was to none but me. And all I've done for want of wit, to memory now I can't recall. So fill to me the parting glass. Good night and joy be to you all. Of all the comrades that ever I've had, they're sorry for my going away. And all my sweethearts that ever I've had, they'd wish me one more day to stay. But since it fell unto my lot that I should rise and you should not, I gently rise and softly call, good night and joy be to you all. So fill to me the parting glass, and drink a health whatever befalls, and gently rise and softly call, good night and joy be to you.